If you're someone that is struggling to find a job, either because you're currently unemployed or because you're not able to clear the interviews or simply because you're just not getting those interview calls, then hear me out carefully. This is for you. Now, I absolutely understand how overwhelming it can feel to be unemployed or even living with the uncertainty of when you're going to find a job. I've been through that, so I know how it feels. But trust me if I say that you will get the job. The opportunity is out there. So it's not a matter of if, but when. The day will come. So don't lose your hope, don't get discouraged, and more importantly, don't lose your confidence. You have to realize that job market is competitive, fiercely competitive. In general, there are a lot lesser job openings than the job seekers out there. So you have to face that reality and be decisive. So the first question you have to ask yourself is, why should a company give the job to me and not to others? What is special about me? How am I better than the average? In other words, you have to compete with others. You need to be a cut above the others. You have to be competitive in everything you do. You have to show your competitors right from how you build your resume to how you highlight your achievements and accomplishments to differentiate yourself. And then you have to know how to be found by the recruiters when they search for your skills. Let me give you a quick tip on how you can be found by the recruiters. Update your profile on the job portals as often as you can. The update can be as simple as removing the full stop in the profile summary or adding that full stop back. It takes less than 5 seconds. Just keep the mobile apps of those job portals always open on your mobile phone and keep updating your information on those apps at least every few hours. The more often you do it, the better it is. When you do that, what happens is when a recruiter searches for your kind of skills and sorts those search results by modified date, your profile has a high chance to be listed on the top of the search results. And this will increase the chances of getting found by the recruiters and getting called for the interview if your skills more or less match the job requirement. And by the time that call comes from the recruiter, you have to be prepared so well that you'll knock it out of the park in the interviews. You perhaps know that the biggest challenge for job seekers is getting calls from the recruiters. People are hardly getting interview calls. So when you finally get one, you don't want to miss that opportunity because someone else did better than you in the interview. So you should prepare not with the goal of clearing the interview. You have to prepare to blow their mind that they're like, where the hell were you all this time? And the good news is you can do it. You can prepare to create a solid impression both with your technical or functional skills or more importantly with your behavioral skills, with your personality. Right from the first step of looking out for a job till you have joined the company, you have to show your competitiveness in every step in between. Alright? So be on it, keep learning, keep getting better at your skills, and while you're on that journey, trust me, you will get hired very soon. The key is getting better every single day with your preparation. Alright? Remember, your job is out there and just a step away. So that's about it for now, guys. Put in your comments and share what is your biggest challenge in finding a job. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more such tips on building a successful career.